Okay, this is known as the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Have a no common vertex. They are not having a common vertex. Okay, here we are taking opposite sides. Okay, this is very simple. Now see adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. Once again, the angle of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. Now here we have that we have learned the adjacent side. Okay. Now here we will see the adjacent angle. What do you mean by adjacent angle? The single arm. Okay. A common arm called adjacent angle, just as D. Just as D. G. Okay, D and G are the adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. Then we will take G, F. Okay, then we will take F, E. Then we will take E, D. Okay, they are known as the कॉमन आर्म. एक सिंगल कॉमन आर्म है, देखो उसका जब D और G हो रहा है then we are taking the common arm first D and G. Okay, then we are taking common arm G, F. Then we are taking a common arm F, E, E, D. This is known as an adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. This is the adjacent angle, not an adjacent side. Okay, here we have learned the adjacent angle. Now next. Now here we will see the diagonals of a quadrilateral. Now what are the diagonals? The line segment which join the vertices of the opposite angles. Okay, of a quadrilateral are the diagonals of a quadrilateral. Now the line segments, you can see the line segments join the vertices. ये जो opposite side है, ठीक है, vertices का जो opposite side है. Here I will show you. For example, this is a quadrilateral. Just imagine A, B, C and D. Okay. अब ये हमारे सारे वर्टाइसेस है. ओके, कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स. ना अपोजिट साइड, अपोजिट मींस द ए का अपोजिट कौन सा हो गया? सी. डी का अपोजिट बी. ओके, सो ये जब लाइन जॉइंट होते हैं quadrilateral के are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. This is known as the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Now see in quadrilateral ABCD, the line segment that join the vertices of the opposite angle, that is angle A and angle C. Just now I have shown you. Angle B and angle C have been drawn. The segment AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. The segment AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Okay, clear? Diagonals, the opposite vertices are known as the diagonals. Last lecture we have seen properties of triangle. In this lecture we will see the properties of quadrilateral. What are the properties of quadrilateral? The sum of the measures of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Triangle is of 180 degree, correct? Quadrilateral is of 360 degree. You can see here how it is shown. D plus E plus F plus G. It means the whole quadrilateral is of 360 degree. As we have learned that 180 degree. So quadrilateral is of 360 degree. Okay. Now polygons. See here, what do you mean by polygons? The first, the closed figure obtained in this way by joining 5 points by 5 line segment is called a pentagon. First, the 3 lines joining it is known as a triangle. The 4 lining which is joining it is called as a quadrilateral, and the 5 line which is joining it is known as a pentagon. Okay, 3 lines triangle, 4 lines quadrilateral, 5 lines pentagon. Okay, and after that more than 5 lines, okay, triangles, quadrilateral, pentagons are close to each other. Okay, are closed figure which more than 5 sides, जो 5 sides से ज्यादा होते हैं, that is known as a polygon. जो 5 sides से ज्यादा होते, this is a 5 side figure, so this is a pentagon. And the 5 side, more than 5 side figure is known as a polygon. And polygon is also distributed in many figures. You can see here, just a minute. Name of the polygons. Now see, those figure who is having 6 figures, 6 sides, sorry, 6 side is known as a hexagon. Those is having 7 side, they are known as a heptagon. Those are having 8 side, they are known as octagon. Those are having 9 sides, they are known as nonagon. And those figure who are having 10 sides, they are known as decagon. So this you have to learn. Okay. So now we will start that is the problem set 37. Okay. The practice set 37 of page number 85 of your textbook. Observe the figure below and find out their names. Now there 4 figures are given. Now we have to find their names, which figure they are. Okay. So let's see. So in practice set 37, there is the name of the figure. First figure is of pentagon, second is of hexagon, correct? Second is hexagon because it have a 6 side. Third is of heptagon because it have 7 side, and fourth is of octagon because it has 8 sides. Okay. So here we have completed our problem set 37. In the next lecture, we will start with problem set 38.